Today is a dull day, so to speak. The morning started okay, but the snowfall began just a few hours ago, making the outside nature a bit dull. On top of that, I took some time off today, and the purpose of the time off is fulfilled by now. So, I have some time to kill. I didn't want to go outside, so I thought to use this time to share some of the recent takes with my Fujifilm camera. No, it is not a point of view street photography video, which I will hopefully do in the coming days. I'm loving the simulations that this camera offers, although capturing the film-like simulations will require more refined efforts and settings to save. I'm still trying to replicate some of the Fujifilm recipes shared on the FujiXweekly, and hopefully will be able to get more finer images in the coming days. They included photographs are taken in the last 3 weeks or so. I hope you will like the snaps. If you do, please hit the subscribe button for more of those photologs, or like the video to support my channel. Thank you.